Are you trying to figure out how to hire a Notion project expert? You are in the right place. Searching for the right person to handle your digital workflow can feel overwhelming, but clarity is closer than you think. Hey, I'm a top-rated Notion consultant on Fiverr. I turn chaotic workspaces into streamlined hubs. We don't just organize pages. We build connected systems that allow your data to flow efficiently. Step 2. Look past generic templates. You want someone who understands workspace architecture. If you're ready to stop stressing and start scaling, I can do the heavy lifting for you. The difference between a cluttered digital environment and a professional setup is just one expert build away. Click the link in the description to check out my Fiverr services, and let's build your dream workspace.